Welcome to the MOTO Freak Channel. Greetings to all viewers, subscribers, supporters. So to the point. Blue smoke coming from your car's exhaust is a clear sign that your engine is burning oil. This is a serious issue that requires prompt attention, as ignoring it can lead to significant damage and costly repairs. Car smokes blue. Causes, symptoms, effects, repair, and costs. Causes. The presence of blue smoke generally indicates that engine oil is entering the combustion chambers and being burned along with the fuel. Here are the most common culprits. Worn piston rings. Piston rings create a seal between the piston and the cylinder wall. If these rings are worn or damaged, oil can seep past them and into the combustion chamber, leading to blue smoke, especially during acceleration or deceleration. This is very common in older or high-mileage vehicles. Worn valve stem seals / guides. Valve stem seals prevent oil from leaking down the valve stems into the combustion chamber. If these seals become hardened, cracked, or worn, oil can seep past them. This often results in blue smoke upon startup after the car has sat for a while, or during deceleration when engine vacuum is high. Faulty PCV, positive crankcase ventilation, valve. The PCV system is designed to vent crankcase gases back into the engine to be burned. A clogged or stuck PCV valve can cause pressure buildup in the crankcase, forcing oil past seals and into the combustion chamber. Worn turbocharger seals. In turbocharged engines, if your car has a turbocharger, its seals can wear out, allowing oil to leak into the intake or exhaust side of the turbo. This oil then gets burned, producing blue smoke. This is often noticeable when the turbo spools up or is under load. Overfilled engine oil. While less common for persistent blue smoke, having too much oil in the engine can cause it to be splashed or forced into areas where it shouldn't be, leading to it being burned. Blown head gasket. In some cases, a blown head gasket can allow oil to leak into the combustion chamber, though this often presents with white smoke, coolant, or a mix of white and blue. Worn engine. General wear and tear over time. General wear and tear on various engine components can lead to increased clearances, allowing oil to escape into the combustion areas. Symptoms. The primary symptom is, of course, the blue-tinged smoke from the exhaust. However, you might also notice increased oil consumption. You'll find yourself needing to add oil more frequently than usual. This is a primary indicator that oil is being burned. Burnt oil smell, a distinct, acrid smell of burning oil, often noticeable inside or outside the car. Engine performance issues, reduced power, sluggish acceleration, or a rough idle can occur if oil burning affects spark plug fouling or compression. Fouled spark plugs. Oil burning can leave deposits on spark plugs, leading to misfires and poor engine performance. Oil leaks. External, while internal burning causes blue smoke, internal issues often stem from general wear, which might also manifest as external oil leaks. Check engine light. The check engine light may illuminate due to misfires from fouled spark plugs or issues detected by oxygen sensors. Effects. Ignoring blue smoke can lead to a cascade of problems and severe damage. Engine damage. Continuous burning of oil can lead to carbon buildup on pistons, valves, and spark plugs, which can cause premature wear on engine components. In severe cases, it can lead to engine knocking, reduced compression, and eventually engine failure. Catalytic converter damage. The unburned oil and additives from burning oil can clog and damage the catalytic converter, a very expensive component to replace. Reduced fuel economy. An engine burning oil is not running efficiently, leading to decreased fuel economy. Increased emissions. Burning oil releases harmful pollutants into the environment, potentially causing your vehicle to fail emissions tests. Safety hazard. A severely compromised engine increases the risk of breakdown. Repair. Repairing blue smoke involves identifying and addressing the source of the oil burning. This can range from relatively simple to very complex. Worn piston rings / valve seals. This is often a major repair, as it typically involves disassembling the engine to access and replace these components. For piston rings, it might necessitate an engine rebuild. For valve seals, the cylinder head usually needs to be removed. Faulty PCV valve. This is a relatively simple and inexpensive fix involving replacing the valve. Worn turbocharger seals. The turbocharger will likely need to be rebuilt or replaced. Overfilled engine oil. Simply draining the excess oil to the correct level. Blown head gasket. Requires replacing the head gasket, which is a labor-intensive job. General engine wear. In some cases, if wear is extensive, an engine rebuild or replacement might be the only viable solution. Costs. The cost of repair varies significantly based on the specific cause, the make and model of your car, and labor rates in your location. Overfilled oil. Usually $0 or euros or pounds, DIY, or a small fee if a mechanic drains it for you. Faulty PCV valve. Form $50 or euros or pounds to $200 or euros or pounds, including parts and labor. Valve stem seals can range from $700 or euros or pounds to $2,000 or more dollars or euros or pounds, depending on the engine design. Some require cylinder head removal. Others can be done without. Blown head gasket. This is a major repair, typically costing from $1,000 or euros or pounds to $2,500 more dollars or euros or pounds, and sometimes more for complex engines. Worn piston rings. Engine rebuild. This is one of the most expensive repairs. An engine rebuild can cost anywhere from $2,000 or euros or pounds to $5,000 or more dollars or euros or pounds, while full engine replacement could be from $300 or euros or pounds to $7,000 or more dollars or euros or pounds, depending on the vehicle. Turbocharger replacement/rebuild can range from $1,000 or euros or pounds to $3,000 or more dollars or euros or pounds, depending on the turbo and labor. Recommendation: if you notice blue smoke from your car's exhaust, it's crucial to have it diagnosed by a qualified mechanic as soon as possible. Driving with an engine that's burning oil can lead to much more severe and expensive damage down the line. Thank you for watching the video, and I invite you to subscribe to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to everyone, and see you in the next episode. See you soon.